Sometimes templates can be limiting, but your creativity shouldn't be, especially if you love coding like me. With Popup's custom HTML feature, the canvas is yours to design, code, and bring your vision to life without boundaries. So in today's video, we'll see how to add custom HTML in Popper. So let's jump right in. So in the add section here, just scroll down a bit and you will see in advanced we have the HTML section. Click on this. Boom, you have a custom HTML here, and whatever you paste here, the HTML will be reflected over here. And for this tutorial, I have already created a HTML script, so I will just paste it here and boom, here is our pop-up. And yeah, I think it's looking cool and it's like flash sale alert, grab 20% off on your next purchase. And here is the code for the pop-up. And if you guys want, I will, put it in the comment section or description of this video. So yeah, you can copy paste and try it on your website. Let's see it in the live website, like how it looks. So yeah, here is our cool pop-up and the button is clickable as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you.